So this is how to make a Young Good type beat. It's kind of like the 2023 version. He's been working with like realyungphil a little bit, and I really like his kind of like ambient sound he's got going on. Woesum as well. I'm using Hive. I've just got this pad. On top of that, I've just got this volume automation, giving it this kind of like pumping sound. For the next section, this one's a pluck. It's called Omnisaw. It's just being reversed, just to kind of give it like a nice texture. And then I've just put like a delay on it. So it's like a lo-fi ping pong preset. Really simple melody, but super effective. Underneath it, I've just got this. It's basically just a duplicate of our original melody, but I just put like a huge reverb on it. It's just playing in the background just to give it a little bit of depth. Then I just went through my hard drive and I just like siphoned through all of the Young Good samples that I could find. And I just kind of like used them accordingly, depending on whether I thought they suited this style of music that he's making currently. Young Good Crash, Young Good Hi-Hat, and this is a clap out of Milkshake by Young Lean. With these new age beats that he's making, he's using like a lot of like bongos and like toms like as percussion. These are out of the Starboy Rob drum kit, which I'd recommend getting. It's just like a huge stash kit. It's got some really like current sounds. So yeah, I just went through and I just looked for like bongos and toms, just like those kind of like soft sounding percussions instead of using like snares. I used this Boost 808. I put it into the Ableton sampler and I just shortened it, just a shorter kind of release than what it actually is. That's about it. It's a pretty simple beat. It's at 140 BPM and it's in G minor. But yeah, here's the beat. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. If you want to see some more content from me, make sure to subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks.